Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Robinhood account. First, download the Robinhood app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it up and enter your email address to begin. You'll then create a strong, unique password for your new account. After that, Robinhood will send a verification email to the address you provided, so be sure to check your inbox and click the link to confirm. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information for regulatory purposes. This includes your full legal name, your current residential address, and your date of birth. You'll also be asked to enter your Social Security number, which is essential for identity verification and tax reporting. Finally, link your bank account to Robinhood. This allows you to easily deposit funds and withdraw money when needed. With your personal details confirmed, it's time to set up your investment profile. You'll choose your investment goals, such as long-term growth or income, and indicate your risk tolerance. Then, you can fund your account with an initial deposit, which can be as little as $10. Robinhood offers various investment options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and even cryptocurrency, so you can start exploring what fits your strategy. Almost there. The final step involves reviewing and agreeing to Robinhood's terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them carefully to understand the platform's policies. Once you accept, your Robinhood account will be fully set up and ready for you to start trading. You can now explore the market, place your first order, and begin your investment journey. Also, for a great resource on personal finance, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.